Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. This is the last tutorial in this year and we're gonna paint a really beautiful and fairy house. It's a fairy mainly because of the colors, I think, and because of the proportions. It's really cute. Also, we're gonna create some lovely details as a Christmas tree, for example, but I wanna let you know that it's not that easy to create this one, especially because tutorial is kinda long. Real-time version of the tutorial going for 2 hours and 22 minutes, and it's available in my creative club on a Patreon, and you can find link down below. There you also can find traceable I prepare for you, because this one, traceable sketch, it's really makes this tutorial easier. Shape of the house is not that easy, but trust me, if you have a sketch prepared before, it's not that hard to create this painting, and it's possible to do even if you are a beginner. This tutorial we're starting with a very short landscape. Colors, it's kinda important today, because still we want to paint it in like a fairy style. That's why we have lots of peachy colors, pink colors, cute yellow colors, and it's like a feeling of a sunset. So it's a gradient, and by the way, we're gonna create lots of gradients. But because of the size of this painting, it's just a 20 centimeters, we don't need to blend colors softly. Usually beginners don't like to blend colors really smooth, but again, all these gradients we're gonna create for this composition, all of them done with just a brush strokes. We're starting a brush stroke, usually from the start it's more visible, like more heavy, but at the end it's usually more transparent, because naturally we're running out of the color on our brush. So here we're gonna use this technique and also some others as a glazing, for example. As you can see right now, traceable already done. I mean, I transferred all the line, and on my channel you also can find a kind of short tutorial, just a couple of minutes, how to do it. Well, here I'm not gonna talk too much, it's a demonstration version, and here you can find just main steps you will need to do if you want to create this composition, and it's gonna have just some music on the background. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm not that good at wishes, but I think really main thing I want to wish to you today and for the future time, it's health. Please stay safe. Nowadays I think it's the most important thing. About other things, well, a lot of them we still able to create, right? We can take a brush and paint those ideas we have in our minds. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on my next tutorials on the next year. Let's take a look on a final composition. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In a future year we're gonna have lots of interesting ideas. It was a PaintyKat. Bye bye.